Hi, I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel. So I've mentioned in some previous videos that I had some tools given to me by my friend Gary, and I've restored a couple of those tools, and this is the third thing I think I want to restore that he gave me. It is a hand plane, Dunlap hand plane, which I wasn't familiar with. But I have a couple of Stanley hand planes, but I never use them because I'm not a real woodworker guy. But being a little unfamiliar with what to do with a hand plane, I watched some videos, which I think I know what not to do and what to do. So without further ado, let's get after it. well, that ought to do it. I'm actually pretty proud of this project. I don't know much about hand planes, so I need to adjust this properly. I'm not going to use it on camera right now because those people who know planes probably were screaming when I was putting it back together. I need to make sure I get everything adjusted properly. And actually the blade, you know, I did an okay job of sharpening it just by hand, but I think it could probably stand to go in one of those machines, you know. So we may do that. You know, interestingly enough, I have two other planes. One is this Stanley. It says Stanley Handyman. And the other one is just says Stanley, and it's made in England. And I don't know really much about them either. So I guess maybe once I figure out how to use a plane, these are a little wider actually than the Dunlop. The Dunlop's a little bit thinner. But I guess once I figure out how to use it, maybe I'll fix up one of those Stanleys, or both of them for that matter. Anyway, thanks a lot. Sorry it's taken me so long to get a video out. I've been real busy, and I had my back go out on me, so that knocked me out for a couple of days, and my dog got sick, so glad to be back on YouTube. So see you next time. Thanks.